Everyone's talking about making money with ChatGPT, so I decided to put it to the test. I gave myself 1 week to make $500 using nothing but ChatGPT. Here's exactly how I did it. I'll show you the hustles I tried, the ones that failed, and how you can copy this. ChatGPT made me $500 in 1 week, so I challenged myself to make $500 in just 1 week, using only ChatGPT. No fancy equipment, no experience needed, just me, my laptop and a free AI tool. And today, I'm showing you exactly how I did it step by step, so you can copy it too. Step 1. Planning the hustles. First, I opened ChatGPT and asked it, how can I make $500 fast using you? ChatGPT dropped a full list: freelance writing, selling books, social media management, and more. I picked the 4 easiest ones that didn't need any money upfront. Overlay text, freelance writing, books, social media posts, resume services. Step 2. What I actually did. Method 1. Freelance writing. First up, freelance writing. I posted quick gigs offering blog posts and articles, and guess what? ChatGPT basically wrote the articles for me. One client paid me $50 for just 1 article. By the end of the week, I made $200 from writing alone. $200 earned. Method 2. Selling books. Next, I decided to sell books. I asked ChatGPT to help me write a short ebook called 10 Ways to Save Money Fast. I designed a simple cover in Canva, uploaded it to Gumroad, and boom, sales started coming in. I sold 15 copies at $5 each, making $75. $75 earned. Method 3. Social media content creation. Third hustle. Social media content. I offered to create Instagram posts and captions for small businesses, with ChatGPT doing the heavy lifting. I landed a client who paid me $100 for a week's worth of posts. $100 earned. Method 4. I powered resume services. Last hustle. Resume writing. I used ChatGPT to revamp resumes and cover letters super fast. I charged $50 per resume and landed to clients, earning another $100. $100 earned. Step 3. What failed? Now, full transparency, not everything worked. I also tried selling AI-generated art prints online, and let's just say, no one bought anything. Sometimes, you gotta fail fast and move on. Step 4. Final results. So after 7 days of grinding, here's the final breakdown. Freelance writing, $200. Ebook sales, $75. Social media content, $100. Resume services, $100. Failed art prints, $0. Total, $175. And a $25 tip from a client equals $500. $500 total earned. If you're serious about making money online, ChatGPT is like having a full-time assistant in your pocket, but you still have to hustle and deliver. If you want me to show you step-by-step tutorials for each of these hustles, drop a comment below. Make sure to smash that like button, share and subscribe to Easy Money TV. And I'll see you in the next video where we make more money online.